Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm making some pakoras with eggplant. So I've already sliced my eggplant like this, and I'm going to use some cilantro, one medium onion, one green chili, and I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander, pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to go ahead and chop this onion up in my little mixer here. So I have here 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour. I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and now to this I'm going to go ahead and add the spices and the chopped cilantro. Add a little bit of water. So I have half a glass here, so let's add half of it first. It's always best to sift your flour before you start mixing it. So with a spoon, go ahead and mix it well and make sure there are no lumps in there. And I'm gonna add the rest of the water, half of it, and I'll see if I need more. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more. So it should be like this, not too runny. Now, don't overcrowd the pan like I am doing here, because my family was very impatient and they wanted to dig in and eat as soon as possible. So here you'll see that one side is already golden brown. Go ahead and turn them over with the help of a fork. And once the other side is also golden brown, you can take them out on a paper towel. I mean, it's fried food, but it's always best to get rid of the excess oil. I'll be serving mine with some green chutney, but you can serve them with any sauce that you like. For kids, they usually like to have ketchup with it. So hopefully this recipe was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, do share, subscribe, and like my videos. And see you again with another simple, basic, easy to follow recipe.